Nope, I'm going for this one. Oh, wait, no. Oh, fuck. Alright, that guy's got that. We gotta play here.
Mike, focus!
Oh, that's a snipe.
Oh, no! No, no, no.
Clear it, Mike!
Loaf.
Get it out of the fucking zone!
Loaf dive! Loaf
Get it out
dive!
of the zone! Yes! No, dude!
No.
Oh, no! That is so embarrassing!
Oh my god, Jenna!
I'm not gonna make it.
Alright.
Yeah,
Fuck! Violence, speed,
Alright.
momentum.
Then I saw a pigeon fall. That wasn't you, right?
no.
This
Oh,
could
that
be
must have been my cousin, dog.
Wait, what
I
color?
scored! Oh, I didn't score!
Yeah, baby!
Whoever the French fry guy is a giant cocksucker. I just want to let you guys know that. Dude, he's still grabbing me!
Oh, he fell off!
No! Alright, I'm good. How do I keep my tail? I don't get it.
You don't
What do
get
mean
grabbed. You gotta grab somebody's tail off of them.
I
I
don't
just
like-
found Loaf, and I stole his tail. Oh
Fucking tail! Fuck!
I'm gonna
Wait, can I get it back?
Yeah, you steal it.
Oh,
no! He thought he was dead forever.
I freaked out a little bit there. Give me a tail, buddy! I'm gonna freak the fuck out! I'm gonna freak out! You better go, Alyssa. You better go, dude. Fucking laggy piece of shit!
Oh no! Well, that's it, boys!
Oh, Greg! You're the first one eliminated. How does it feel, old Greg?
Not good, man.
It's alright, we still got Mikey. We still got Mikey.
No!
Mike! No! Alright, it's alright.
I
No,
got.
I don't know why he did that, Alyssa. He's a complete idiot. I don't know what he was thinking. Oh shit, my mic wasn't muted. Alright, Vinny, come on, man.
No!
Vin, come on. Vin, hustle. Vin,
I'm fucking trying.
Vin, move, dude. Move!
You don't.
Hurry up!
Just go.
I can't find French
Oh
fries.
god, Vin, dude!
Oh.
Yes!
You got this! Go! You gotta dive, you gotta dive, you gotta dive!
Yeah! Wait, did you make it?
Let's go!
Let's go!
Let's go! Dude, I was the last one! Oh my god, my balls were in my stomach.
Yeah.